What is meant by segregation? Segregation can be defined as the separation of the constituent material of concrete. A good concrete is one in which all the ingredients are properly distributed to make a homogeneous mixture. There are considerable differences in the size and specific gravities of the constituent ingredients of concrete. Therefore, it is natural that the material show a tendency to fall apart. Segregation can be differentiated to three types. The first one is coarse aggregate separating out or silting down from the rest of the matrix. Second, paste separating away from coarse aggregate. And the last one is water separating out from the rest of the material, being a material of lower specific gravity.
How do the segregation occur? First of all, usage of high water-cement ratio in concrete. This happens in case of concrete mixed at the site by unskilled workers. Secondly, excessive vibration of concrete with mechanical vibrators makes heavier particles settle at bottom and lighter cement sandpaper comes on the top. Lastly, when concreting is done from height in case of underground foundation and raft, which causes concrete to segregate. Do you know steps to prevent segregation? Yes. First of all, concrete should be mixed properly designed with optimum quantity of water. It should be not too wet or dry. Secondly, make sure the concrete is properly mixed at the correct speed in a transit mixture for at least 2 minutes. Regularly check the performance of a mixer with respect to adequate uniformity of distribution of constituent in each batch. Third, transport the concrete mix properly. Lastly, do not allow concrete to flow.
Do you know what is bleeding?
Yes, bleeding in fresh concrete refers to the process where free water in the mix is pushed outward to the surface due to the settlement of heavier solid particles such as cement and water. Do you know how to reduce bleeding in concrete?
Yes, of course. How to reduce bleeding in concrete? Bleeding in concrete can be reduced by taking following precautions. 1. Design the concrete mix properly. 2. Add minimum water content in the concrete mix. 3. Add more cement in the mix. 4. Increase the amount of fine particles in the sand. 5. Use a little amount of air in draining at mixture. 6. Use more finely ground cement. What are the effects of bleeding in concrete?
There are many effects of bleeding occurs in concrete. Firstly is concrete loses its homogeneity, which results in weak and porous concrete. Secondly is it makes the concrete permeable. Lastly is it delays the surface finishing in pavement construction.
How to prevent of bleeding in concrete?
The prevention of bleeding in concrete is bleeding can be reduced by proper proportioning and uniform and complete mixing. Secondly is we can use of finely divided pozzolanic materials reduce bleeding by creating a longer path for the water to traverse. Lastly is air entraining agent is very effective in reducing the bleeding.